Situated on Ajinganor High Road, East Legon, Accra, at the Islamic University-Trassacco Junction, boasts a beautifully designed contemporary property. High-quality materials used from the foundation up ensure the structural integrity and longevity of the building. Upon entering the front door, you are greeted by a luxurious Hollywood-themed Galaxy granite staircase. And to your right, a contemporary open-plan reception room with large windows that draws in plenty of natural light. Along the hallway to the left is a guest washroom with modern fittings, including an automatic sensor tap. Further along the hallway to your right, we meet the security controls for the electric fence wire and the intercom system. Opposite lays the entrance to a private room with a viewing window that is ideal as a home office or study. We enter the large open concept family area, complete with a kitchen and dining area. It is superbly finished with accentuated ceiling features and high-end contemporary light fixtures. This is an entertainer's dream home. To your right, a stunning centre island with sink. The granite kitchen worktops add to the showpieces of luxurious design and craftsmanship. Designed and sourced from the UK, the kitchens are completely integrated with appliances and furniture. Careful considerations were factored into the materials selected to ensure the kitchens cope well with the local climate. The kitchen splashback is an advanced aluminium-based splashback and wall panel. It is durable and versatile and contributes to an overall contemporary look. The main kitchen leads you to a smaller, also integrated second kitchen and laundry, as well as entry to the storeroom. Next door to the small kitchen and laundry, you find a well-suited studio accommodation complete with its own private bathroom. The design of the building allows for multiple access options between the main building and the studio accommodation. Security doors are positioned between the main kitchen to the secondary kitchen and laundry, allowing the property owner to restrict access as desired. The master suite is exceptionally sized and grants access to the upper floor private balcony. The grand front-facing windows flood the room with plenty of natural light. The private balcony, finished with custom tempered glass and stainless steel railings, provides panoramic views to the user. The master walk-in closet is generously sized at 12 square feet and leads into a complete 5-piece bathroom with jacuzzi. High quality, mostly UK sourced, plumbing fittings were chosen for all the bathrooms and washrooms, with considerations about space, functionality and beauty being applied to every choice. The upper terrace garden, laid with artificial grass and compound tiles, complements this masterpiece of a home. Illuminated with decorative walkover lights, the terrace is a superb rooftop oasis for evening fun and enjoyment. The main areas are covered in luxurious porcelain that have a Calcutta marble finish. To the rear of the property, you are greeted by a huge upper-level family area with a balcony. Custom designed contemporary burglar-proof bars are installed to every window in the building, up and down. The family bedrooms are quite generously sized, each having its own unique ensuite. The large windows ensure plenty of natural light is welcomed. The ensuite bathrooms are fitted with automatic demisting LED mirrors. Concealed showers and stylish fittings improve the overall beauty and hygiene of the rooms. The upper level balcony oversees a luxurious crystal chandelier and the lower level family area. High-end contemporary veneer internal doors match the contemporary theme of the house. The property is fitted with multiple bolt lock-in Turkish security doors for maximum security. The compound is laid with artificial grass and concrete tiles. The property offers increased comfort with 21st century automation. The property is fitted with a 5 CCTV camera system. The system constantly records and saves footage from each camera onto a hard drive. The 5 cameras cover the entire compound of the building, and real-time footage can be accessed remotely on your mobile phone. All the external lighting chosen performs well for the local climates, guaranteeing their longevity. The sides and rear of the building consist of 11 motion-activated security lights. The external lighting was designed to improve the beauty and the security of the property. Well situated, this is a magnificently stunning executive home.